22900 California repair video. It looks like somebody's been keeping the yard relatively decent. The shrubs are cut. We did have a junk violation on the door. We're obviously going to need some paint on the walls. A deep cleaning. Paint the ceiling? I don't know, that almost looks like candle wax or something. Kitchen. This place isn't in bad shape. We gotta patch a couple holes in the kitchen. It's actually pretty clean. There's some extra blinds, like a packet of blinds might be helpful. Oh, that's why, because they're broken. Pretty clean back here. Bathroom. Scrub the grout in the shower. Recaulk the toilet. Please take the old caulk out first. Maybe recaulk like the whole base, like at the floor. Bedroom. Some cleaning and some painting, nothing serious. More minor patching. Looks like paint or something. I don't know, something stuck to the floor all over. Lipstick on the door. I mean, really nothing serious besides painting. The floor in this room is a lot worse than the others, but it looks like it can totally be salvaged. Just probably like a serious mopping or something. Upstairs smells a little bit like dog. It looks like they vacuumed it, but I think we definitely need the carpet cleaned because it's odor of dog up here. There's some mold around the window. We have some kills and paint. Nothing more than paint up here. Oh, we're missing a knob. No light in the closet. It's like a attic. Check out the basement. This video is going to be a pain to upload. It's super long. Real musty down here. So definitely clean and sanitize the floor, maybe paint it. Looks like there was some water damage of some sort. We got some sort of water coming in on the walls, so maybe we can kills and paint that.